Welcome to our Coin Collecting Insights channel. Skip all the ageist and focus on the fascinating world of the 2 euro cent coin from 2010, specifically focusing on the version with the G mint mark. This coin is a part of the Eurozone currency, and its distinct features make it an interesting piece for both collectors and enthusiasts alike. Whether you shop at Your or Mantuary, whether you are beginning your journey into the world of coin collecting or you're a seasoned collector, the 2.0 Rolling 34 Master Rack, LETA 0102 Euro Cent case with the G mint mark holds a lot of significance. LETA 921 to explore its history, design, and value in today's modern case. The 2 euro cent coin was introduced as part of the euro currency system, which was launched in 2002. The coin features a denomination of 2 euro cents and is one of the smaller units in the Eurozone EUORMS currency structure. The coin has been minted by various countries within the Eurozone, and the mint mark on each coin indicates the country of origin. For the 20102 euro cent coin with the G mint mark, this coin was minted in Germany, as indicated by the mint mark E Euro EGG. Each Eurozone country produces its own coins, with the national mint mark allowing collectors to trace where the coin was produced. The obverse side of the 2 euro cent coin features an image of Europe with the map of the continent shown in a detailed and artistic manner. The map is set in a way that represents Europe as a unified whole, symbolizing the collaboration and unity of the European Union. This side of the coin also includes the inscription a Euro Priory logo and a purple band, showing that this is a Euro AUERO1 heel tattoo, as well as the year of minting, in this case 2010. The G mint mark, located near the right side of the map, signifies that this particular coin was minted at the Karlsruhe Mint in Germany, one of the 3 German mints that produce euro coins. The G mint mark is a distinguishing feature for collectors who focus on coins from specific countries or mints. On the reverse side, the 2 euro cent coin features a simple yet effective design that emphasizes the coin's denomination. It showcases 2 stylized hands that are reaching toward each other, symbolizing unity and cooperation. These hands form a shape reminiscent of the European Union's stars, representing the collaboration between European countries. Surrounding the image are the words E Euroletu senza euro and E Euroletu senza EU. The clean minimalist design, combined with the symbolism of unity, makes this coin a beautiful representation of the Eurozone EARTM values. In terms of composition, the 2 euro cent coin is made from an alloy known as copper-plated steel, giving it a coppery color. The material is durable and resistant to wear, ensuring that these coins last for many years, even with frequent circulation. The diameter of the coin is 18.75 millimeters, and it weighs 3.6 grams. These coins are relatively small in size, which makes them easily recognizable and functional as part of the euro currency system. The 2 euro cent coin is often used in daily transactions, though its smaller value means it may be less frequently encountered in everyday circulation, compared to higher denominations like the 1 or 2 euro coins. In today's market, the value of the 20102 euro cent coin with the G mint mark is generally quite modest. Most of these coins circulate as regular change and are valued at their face value of 2 euro cents, which is equivalent to approximately 2.2 US cents USD. However, if you have a 20102 euro cent coin in uncirculated or mint condition, it could fetch a slightly higher value among collectors. Depending on the market and the demand for specific euro mint marks, an uncirculated coin may be worth anywhere between $10,000 to $35,000. For coins in average circulated condition, the value would likely be closer to its face value, or slightly above. The premium value typically applies to those in pristine condition. Yes. Hi, here. If you have a 20102 euro cent coin with the G mint mark in uncirculated condition, you may find that it holds more appeal for collectors looking to complete a set or add to their collection of euro coins. While the coin itself is not likely to be a high-value item, it is still an interesting piece for anyone who collects euro coins, especially for those who focus on specific mint marks or years. Additionally, some collectors may also seek out the coin in sets, which could slightly increase its value. In conclusion, the 20102 euro cent coin with the G mint mark is a beautiful and meaningful piece of currency. While its value in today's EROMTM market may not be astronomical, it holds historical significance as part of the Eurozone currency system. Whether you are collecting for historical interests, looking to complete a set, or simply appreciate the design, this coin offers a lot to admire. If you're a euro coin collector or just beginning to explore the world of numismatics, the 20102 euro cent with the G mint mark is a great coin to consider adding to your collection. Next up, the 1985 half franc from France, a coin that holds both historical and collector appeal. Whether you're a seasoned coin collector or new to the hobby, the 1985 half franc provides a glimpse into France's ATORT currency history before the country transitioned to the euro in 2002. Lita ARTR costs about 7 rubles, and of course, its current value in today's market. First, let the weigher stay. Take a look at the design of the 1985 half franc. On the obverse side, we find the iconic image of Marianne, who represents the French Republic. Marianne is a powerful symbol of liberty, reason, and the ideals of the French Revolution. Her image has graced French currency for centuries, and this coin is no exception. The reverse side of the coin shows the denomination a euro 50 centimeter euro, along with the year of minting, 1985, and the words a euro liberté assis, a percent zero galit assis, fraternité assis, a euro meaning liberty, equality, fraternity, which is França Euro, national motto. The 1985 half franc is composed of Frontenero, national motto. The 1985 half franc, weighing about 4 grams. Now, let the EERTM talk about the value of the 1985 half franc coin in today's EERMT market. If you happen to have one in your collection, you may be wondering how much it EERMTM worth. The value of this coin largely depends on its condition. In general, a 1985 half franc in circulated condition may only fetch a small premium above its face value. In most cases, you'll find the coin valued at around 1 to 2 euros, or approximately 1.10 to 2.20 US dollars. While this might not sound like much, remember that this coin is no longer in circulation, and that adds a bit of historical value to it. For those of you with an eye for quality, uncirculated or well-preserved examples of the 1985 half-franc coin can sometimes be worth more. Depending on its condition and demand from collectors, an uncirculated coin could fetch somewhere between $30,000 and $40,000. The condition plays a significant role, as coins with minimal wear or signs of handling are always more desirable to collectors. If you're wondering what makes this coin more appealing to collectors, it is EATR, and a combination of its historical significance and the fact that France ceased using the franc in favor of the euro in 2002. This marks the 1985 half franc as a piece of currency from a bygone era, making it an interesting addition to any numismatic collection. The half franc, although not a rare coin in the traditional sense, holds a certain charm for collectors of French and European coins. If you're just starting out as a collector, or if you're looking to sell or trade this coin, it's AGEURTM worth keeping in mind that, while not extremely valuable, the 1985 half franc still has potential value, particularly if it's AGEURTM in good to excellent condition. The coin can be a great piece to hold on to, whether you're adding it to a larger collection or just starting to gather coins from different countries. In conclusion, the 1985 half francs from France, with its symbolic design and historical significance, is a coin that offers more than just face value. While its worth in today's EERTMT market may not be extraordinarily high, it is a great collectible for anyone interested in French numismatics. Whether you are looking to buy, sell, or simply appreciate the beauty of this coin, it's a piece of history that can certainly add some interest to your collection. Next up, the 2004 Africa 1 Rand coin, which holds both historical significance and value for collectors around the world. Whether you are a seasoned numismatist or just starting your collection, this coin is an interesting piece to explore. Let's dive into its design, background, and current market value. The 2004 South African 1 Rand coin features a striking design that reflects both the Kentria EEORTEM major disease region and its history. On the obverse side, the coin showcases the iconic image of a springbok, the national animal of South Africa. This graceful antelope is not only a symbol of the Kentria EEORTEM wildlife, but also represents South Africa's rich ecological heritage. The springbok has been featured on South African coins since the 1940s and remains one of the most recognizable emblems of the nation. The reverse side of the coin shows the coat of arms of South Africa, along with the inscription, South Africa, and the year of minting, 2004. The 1 Rand coin, first introduced in 1961, replaced the pound in South Africa and has since been a key part of the Kentria EERTM currency system. The 2004 version of the 1 Rand coin is made of nickel-plated steel, which gives it a sleek and durable finish. The coin weighs around 6 grams and has a diameter of 22 millimeters, making it a relatively medium-sized coin in South Africa's coinage series. Now let TURETM talk about the value of the 2004 Africa 1 Rand coin in today's market. The value of this coin in circulation is of course equal to its face value, a US dollar, 0.8 million cents, Rand, which is approximately 5.20 US cents. However, in numismatic circles, coins like the 204 1 Rand, especially those in pristine condition, can hold additional value for collectors. In good circulated condition, the 1 Rand coin is typically worth between 2 to 5 South African rands, or about 10 to 30 US cents. This is still fairly modest, but it becomes more significant for collectors seeking to complete their sets of South African currency. For those with uncirculated or mint-condition 200th coins, the value can rise. In some cases, well-preserved coins can be worth between 10 to 20 South African rands, or about 50 US cents to 1.10 USD. Of course, this is all relative to market demand, but generally, these coins don't tend to skyrocket in value unless they are AEARTMT interest in that year or coin design. One factor that can also influence the value is the rarity of the coin. The 204 1 Rand in particular is not considered rare as it was minted in large quantities. However, as time passes and certain coins become harder to find, their value can increase. Collectors often seek coins with higher demand or limited mint runs, and over time, a coin that was once worth its face value might appreciate slightly as it becomes more sought after. In addition to its market value, the 2004 Africa 1 Rand coin is an important part of South Africa's modern currency history. As the Rand continues to be a primary currency for South Africa, coins like the 1 Rand serve as a reminder of the country's transition to a new era post-apartheid. Its design and metal composition reflect South Africa's evolving economic and political landscape. In conclusion, while the 2004 South African 1 Rand coin may not hold an extraordinarily high value in today's EARM-PM market, it is a meaningful piece of South African history and currency. Its relatively modest worth makes it accessible to many collectors, while its design and symbolism ensure that it holds an important place in the broader context of South African numismatics. Next up, the 245 Acta Eurocent coin, featuring the and mint mark, a fascinating piece of European currency. Whether you tended a new to coin collecting or a seasoned enthusiast, this coin holds particular interest for collectors due to its design, historical context, and its place within the Eurozone. Leta NHT, a closer look at this coin, its features, and how much it might be worth in today's market. The 245 euro cent coin is part of the first series of euro coins, which were introduced in 2002 when the euro became the official currency of 12 European Union countries. The coin itself is made of copper-plated steel, giving it a distinct reddish color, and it weighs 3.92 grams with a diameter of 21.25 millimeters. On the obverse, UAEREMTL, find a map of Europe, illustrating the 12 original member states that adopted the euro at the time. Surrounding the map are the words AEREOAERO and the year of minting 2004. This design was used across many of the Eurocentral coins in the early years of the euro, symbolizing the unity of Europe. On the reverse of the 5 Eurocent coin, you will see the image of the country that minted the coin, which in this case is Germany. The A mint mark refers to the Berlin Mint, one of the 5 mints in Germany that produce euro coins. This mint mark is located just below the 5 on the reverse side of the coin. For collectors, these mint marks are important as they help differentiate coins from various mints and provide insight into where the coin was produced. Now, let me talk about the value of the 245 euro cent coin with a mint mark in today's market. In general, the 5 euro cent coin is worth its face value, 5 cents, which is equivalent to about 5.5 US cents. However, the true value for collectors lies in its condition and rarity. Coins in circulated condition, while still collectible, are usually valued at or slightly above face value, around $45,000 to $55,000, depending on their condition. The coin's value remains quite modest in these cases. For uncirculated coins, those that are in pristine condition and have been carefully preserved, the value can be somewhat higher. Typically, you can expect these coins to be worth around $35,000 to $45,000. If the coin has been kept in excellent condition and it is part of a set or collection that is highly sought after, there may even be collectors willing to pay a bit more for it, especially if the mint mark is rare in that particular coin's production year. However, the 245 euro cent coin is not considered a rare or limited mintage coin, so it doesn't usually command a premium, unless you find one in exceptional condition or as part of a complete euro collection. The mint mark plays a critical role in the value for collectors, as coins from certain mints can sometimes be harder to find depending on the distribution. The mint mark from Berlin, Germany, is one of the more common marks. But as time goes on and coins from this era are taken out of circulation or hoarded, their relative scarcity can increase. So if you're lucky enough to find a 245 euro cent coin in uncirculated condition, it may be worth slightly more than its face value. As a historical piece, the 245 euro cent coin also represents the early years of the Eurozone EERTM currency system. This coin was minted during a pivotal time in European history, just after the introduction of the euro in 2002. It serves as a reminder of the significant steps taken by the European Union to create a unified economic system. Over time, as euro coins from this period became more collectible, the value of the 200, 4, 5 euro cent coin could rise modestly, especially for those in mint condition. In conclusion, while the 200, 4, 5 euro cent coin with the mint mark might not carry a high intrinsic value, it is certainly a beautiful coin to collect, particularly for those interested in euro coins or European history. The value for collectors largely depends on its condition and rarity, with uncirculated examples likely fetching more than face value. Itas EEO10 is an excellent coin to add to any collection, especially if you are EEO10, recommended for luck and riches. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't EORTMT forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on coin values, tips, and the fascinating world of numismatics. Keep collecting, and we may all see you in the next video.